Oh yeah. As much as I didn't want to, I wanted to save all my stickers as long as I could, but especially these guys, because some of these you just can't get anymore. This one's from Displate. This is what you get when you spend over $500 with Blade HQ. Microtech, Petrified Fish, a few little here's and there's. But this is a docking station. So take your cell phone, put it up here. Got your charger that'll dangle out. These slide. This is for like a watch. I got my vape stuff drilled in up here. My little magnetic tank bottoms. This is for necklaces, watches, keys. Got my my go-tos. Well, some of my go-tos. Then I got this guy right here. Got the new boy. Got the Tsunami. This is a good knife.